Myself is Ramchandra Jha from SVM Bagmara, Purnia. Now I am starting lesson 1 of class 10th, subject chemistry. The lesson is chemical equation and reactions. Now at first we start the definition of chemical reactions. Chemical reactions are the process in which new substance with new properties are formed. For example, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, then magnesium oxide is formed. 2Mg plus O2, 2MgO. Here Mg is magnesium, O2 means oxygen, and MgO means magnesium oxide. There are different types of chemical reaction, but I explain some important chemical reactions such as combination reactions, decomposition reactions, displacement reactions, double displacement reactions, oxidation and reduction reactions. At first, you understand about the combination reactions. Combination reactions are the reactions in which two or more substances combine to form a single substance are called the combination reactions. For example, when magnesium reacts with oxygen, here two elements, here one is magnesium and another is oxygen, then a single substance magnesium oxide is formed. So it is an examples of combination reactions. Second equation will be example of combination reaction is when hydrogen reacts with oxygen, they form water. Here H2 means hydrogen, oxygen O2 and 2H2O here is water. So when two elements such as when reacts with oxygen they form what? It is an example of combination reaction. Now I shall start the second reaction just like decomposition reactions. Decomposition reactions means those reactions in which a compound splits up into two or more simpler substances are called decomposition reactions. For example, when calcium carbonate is heated, then it forms calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Means CaCO3 splits up calcium oxides and carbon dioxide. Here one compound calcium carbonate splits up into two similar substances CaO and CO2. So it is all an example of decomposition reaction. Just like when potassium chlorate heated, it splits up into potassium chlorides and oxygen. So here potassium chlorate is a single substance. After heating, it will split up into potassium chlorate and oxygen. So it is also a decomposition reactions. From the discussion, we conclude that decomposition reactions is just opposite the combination reaction, because in the decomposition reactions one singular substance, simpler substances is splits into two or more substances, but in the combination reactions when two or more elements combines or compounds combines, they form a single substance. So it is the just means decomposition reaction is just opposite the combination reactions. Other examples of decomposition reaction is when silver bromide splits up into silver and bromine in the presence of light. It is also an example of decomposition reaction. And this reaction of silver bromide is used in the black and white photography. Such types of other examples is when silver chloride is exposed in the presence of sunlight, then it will split into silver and chlorine. So it is also an examples of decomposition reaction. Now I shall start the third reaction, displacement reaction. Displacement reactions means those reactions in which one element takes the place of another element in a compound are called displacement reaction. For examples, when copper sulfate reacts with zinc, then it will form zinc sulfate and copper. And copper sulfate when reacts with iron, then iron sulfate and copper is formed. Here zinc and iron are more reactive than copper, so zinc and iron reacts the Cu from CuSO4. So it is the examples of displacement reactions. In the displacement reactions, more reactive elements displace the less reactive elements from its compound. So displacement reaction is also an important reaction in the chemical reactions. In these reactions, more reactive elements always displaces the less reactive elements from its compounds. We start to understand the double displacement reactions. Those reactions in which two compounds react via an exchange of ions to form two new compounds are called double displacement reactions. For examples, when silver nitrate reacts with sodium chloride, it will form silver chloride and sodium nitrate. Here silver chloride is formed in the form of white PPT. So it is also known as the precipitation reaction. Second example is sodium sulfate and barium chloride then it will form barium sulfate and sodium chloride. Here barium sulfate in the form of white precipitate is formed, so it is also an examples of double displacement reactions. This reaction, double displacement reactions, is formed by the exchange of ions. Here sodium sulfate and barium chloride reacts by the exchange of ions. So here Na reacts with Cl2 and Ba reacts joint with SO4. So it will form BaSO4 and NaCl. So both these reactions are the examples of double displacement reactions, and it is also the examples of precipitation reactions. Now next class will be oxidation and reduction reactions, collision, rencidity. So you understand it and form some questions about these lessons. Now second topic are oxidation reactions and reduction reactions, and rencidity, collision. At first you solve some questions, homework, write definitions, and chemical reactions of this chapter. I wish a happy life for you. Thanks.